Hey everyone. So we're gonna check these back brakes out and see what's going on. We haven't got a intake O-ring yet, and we're waiting on a coupler for the intake to carburetor coupler. I ordered from Honda the float bowl gasket. So I'm going to show you. Alright, I'll leave it there for a minute so you can pause it or take a snapshot or whatever. This is a 03 reflex. I'm not sure how they change or whatever. But that's the part number for the float bowl. Excuse me. And if you are working on a Helix and you want a water pump gasket, per se, that is going to be your part number for that. And that is a water pump gasket for a Helix. So got the CF Moto. Turns out it's got a slight leak around the water pump gasket, so I'm going to honor my work and get that taken care of for him. When he comes to pick his reflex up, he can either drop off, or I'm going to try to change the gasket while he's here. So onward and forward on the reflex. Here we go. Since I don't have any carburetor parts, we're going to check out these back brakes. I kind of looked at them earlier, and there's a lot of wiggle down there. I mean, a lot of wiggle. So I don't know if there's a bushing missing, or I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but I'm going to put you over here, twist you around a little bit to there, and then let me wiggle. Yeah, there's a lot of movement there. Way too much movement. So I'm sure that I could probably weasel the bolt out of there with a wrench and yada yada. I want to really get a good look at what's going on. So we're going to remove this exhaust and these 4 bolts, and so we can get a real good look at that caliper and see what's going on. Friggin' mosquitoes are everywhere. Oh my god, I'm getting eaten alive. Eaten alive. Lord. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Pterodactyls there. Okay, so this may be, right here may be an aftermarket bolt. It looks pretty big. It's 17 millimeter. The rest of them are 14s. And this right here is a 12. I have put WD-40 on this earlier, about a couple hours earlier, and just to try to make sure that it doesn't break the bolt or anything like that. Once again, I'm not a reflex specialist. Yeah, I said it. Reflex, yeah. Not a specialist, but let's see what happens. Yeah, it seemed to come right off there. I don't know if there's a gasket in there or not, so we'll have to see once we get that far. Alright, let me get you picked up so you can see the whole show. Okay. So, here we go. Wow, that dropped a lot. Wow, that one wasn't tight. Man. Ow. Fucking pterodactyls. Oh my god. Fucking carry you away. They're everywhere. That one wasn't very tight either. And we're gonna check this one for if it's, make sure it's not stripped or whatever. Golly, I gotta go get some off spray here in a minute. Mosquitoes about to fucking eat me alive. Wow. Okay. Here we go. I'll at least try to get this muffler off before I go in and spray down with. Up in Maine now, they use the skin so soft there. Gets right rid of the old mosquito. Yeah. Oh my god, got my damn shoelace. Well, we're having a cool front here in Oklahoma at this particular point. It's like 85 degrees, and humidity's not too bad, so that's why we're out here taking advantage of the weather. Alright, that seemed to come off pretty good. Pretty good there. Yeah, there is a gasket. Seems to be in good shape though. So I'm going to get some bug spray down, but yeah, we're gonna try to figure out why that moves so much and what's going on there. So that's next. I don't know if you can see them; they're just everywhere. Wow. Hey everyone, we're back. Golly. Damn fucking pterodactyl fucking mosquitoes. Sons of bitches. Alright. We're gonna pull these pins out. It's just moving too much. I mean, I don't know what's going on. We're gonna take, these are 12s. This one and this one down here is a 14. Golly, that thing was on there. That thing was solid. Okay, now gotta switch them, dumbass. Alright, so that's what that one looks like. And that's what that one looks like. Okay. That just seems wonky. Might fill that with grease, let's see. Oh. We found the problem. I found the problem. Y'all see it? Should be a hole. It's not a hole. It's a... Shit, sorry. It's oval shaped. Okay, right here. See how that's chewed out? That's chewed out right there. Not good. That thing's not. I'm gonna need a bracket caliper. I mean a caliper bracket. Oh Lord. Lord have mercy. Alright, we're gonna have to call someone here and get some parts ordered, I think. Some more parts ordered. And I think if you just take these two bolts out, this will. Well, let's find out. Let's just do it here. Let's tear it down and find out everything we need at once. And that way there, we can get this stuff ordered. Oh my God. Well, it's wiggling. Guess that's a good sign, right? Oh, there it is. There it is, in all its glory. That is a caliper bracket. No, you can't see all the way through it. But you can see that it's just chewed to death. Alright, we'll get one coming, I guess. Well, it looks like at this point, since it needs a caliper bracket, we might talk him into putting the original tire, or what tire should be on this thing, on it. It's got like a damn car tire on it, flat tracker. So I'm gonna talk to him about getting a new tire also, and that may be a project also. I say if we're gonna do it, let's do it right. We're in there. Let's get it done. So here, I will keep you updated as news comes in. Please subscribe. Okay, everyone. So, of course, here in Oklahoma, we gotta wait until it's friggin' almost dark to work on anything because it's 155 degrees. So, as soon as I come out here, the guy next door decides to mow down the field back here. So we're going to film in between, probably some of that. But basically what we're going to do today is we're going to get this monstrosity of a tire off from here. This thing is huge. Okay, so we're going to remove that aluminum chunk right there, and we're going to put the new tire, which is over here, that got sent, and we're going to put the actual tire that's supposed to go on the vehicle, which I told Thomas is going to be a whole bunch better. So they're getting ready to fire stuff up, so we'll I'll take a pause and see if they can go around the other side of the house. I'll start it up again. Okay, everyone, the grass was so tall over there that they ran over a cushion and sucked it up in a zero turn. So they're down for a minute. So I wanted to show you guys the dedication I go through to get you some lighting. Yeah, we've got the clamp in the box. So yeah, the tire came in. Alright, so as you can see, I've got some stuff laid out here. What I'm going to use to take this apart. We'll go from there. Alright, here we go. So, and I don't know if your bolt sizes are going to be the same as these bolt sizes. I don't know if any of them been changed, but this is what I got, and compare it to what you got, I guess, and go from there. But first off, we got to take this brake line off that's up here. That's got a grommet on it, and holds the brake hose to that piece. So we'll see if we can get this piece of shit ratchet working. Works a lot better now that I tighten the screws in it, so that's better. Alright, get that off. Yeah, this tire is a huge tire, and it's going to take some of the torque away from when you're taking off, so I think it's really going to be a good thing to get the proper size on it. That thing is. Okay, so, as I like to say, onward and forward. Here we go. Alright, so this one, 17. This one up here. Can you see? I don't know if you can see up here. Let's make sure you can see. Okay. Up here, 14. 14 for the shock. 24 for the rear nut. So, there you have it. I'll try to type in what all these sizes are. So first one, I'm going to take off the rear nut here, and then probably going to get ready to take off with this lawnmower. So we'll see what we get done before we get interrupted. Alright, this might be a little loud. Make sure we're going the right way. Alright, so let's take inventory of what we got here. We got a nut. Well, I guess we might not have a washer like the Helix. Maybe it'll come off when we get done. I'm going to try this gun. I don't think the battery is strong enough to do it, but let's see. No. Didn't figure. So, I got an adapter here. We're going to use Big Betty. This thing's a friggin' hoss. So, we're going to turn it down. We don't need that much. If you're trying to get a bolt to come out that's stuck in there, if you get a wrench, open socket behind it, or a screwdriver to pull on it while you're unscrewing it, it'll help come out. Yeah, that's how much the rear wheel was holding on that thing. And I'll twist that down later, soften the blow, so to speak. Alright, so now I'm going to drop our 17 out of here. Alright. That's what that bolt looks like. Okay. Then we got our 14 up here. And yeah, I could be using a ratchet to do this stuff too, but at this point I'm just trying to get it done before it gets cooked out here. It's still 99, 103 heat index, so that's fun. Okay, so I should have everything off. That this should just, okay. So where did that, I guess I'll have to watch the video and see where that fell from. Oh, it came from right here. Okay. Alright, so, oh, there is a spacer there. There's a spacer on this side. Okay. Let's see what the other side's got. Oh, we got a big spacer. Big spacer on this side. Goes in there like that. Big spacer inside. Okay. A little spacer outside. Okay. Let's set that over there. I've got to get a towel so I can get my damn sweat out of my eyes. Oh my Lord. Oh man, I just dumped something all over my table. Oh well, I'll deal with that later. Okay, so now I don't know either if this is like the, I'm assuming it's like the helix that the rear stand is gonna hold the bike up when I pull this tire off here, so. Alright, we gotta get this stuff up out of the way. Okay. Alright, that's up out of the way. Man, there's still a lot of weight on there. Get this damn tire off. Look how huge that thing is. My gosh. Alright. Okay, that one goes that way. So I was pressing with my thumb, pulling with my fingers. Lord have mercy on my soul here. Alright. Holy shit. Alright. Alright. Alright, as you can see, tire's off. Okay. I don't think I have any spacers on. Give me a second. Let me get this damn tripod to cooperate with me. I know. It's shaking around, sorry. Okay. Nope. If there's a spacer in there, I can't dig it out. So there you have it, everybody. That's what your reflex looks like without a tire on it. I guess that'll be the time to get started. Alright, well they're getting ready to fire everything up, so I've pretty much taken care of everything with you. You know what to do. Please subscribe. I'm showing you my knowledge. Help me out with a subscription. Alright, peace out everyone. I'll see you when I see you. Oh, another update real quick. I know the mower's going off behind you, but we found I found a bracket on eBay. The hole is so much better. So much better. So we've got a new bracket that's gonna fit in there and not wiggle as much compared to that and that. Way better. Way better. And there'll be, of course, there'll be some grease in it this time, so it shouldn't happen again. All right, I'm out. See you when I see you. Okay, everyone. I know it's noisy, but I gotta show you this anyway so I can get inside. All right, so this is the new tire, the one that should be on it compared to what was on it. I don't know if you can get a perspective, but there's a big ass difference. Big ass difference. So it's gonna be better. It's gonna be better for sure. It's gonna have way more get up and go. So, all right. Well, see you when I see you.